Grabe yung away namin. I remember, sobrang dalas as in. Kahit yung mga maliliit na diskusyon, lumalaki. Tapos parang hindi siya natatapos. Now, kung nakaka-relate ka or if you're in this kind of relationship or kung nandito ka sa stage na to, the reality of certain arguments is not really yung maliit na issue na bigla na lang lumaki. Most of the time, ang dahilan nito is because our partner triggers our past hurts and wounds kahit yung maliit pa lang tayo. Madalas yung pinapakita sa atin ng mga partners natin are images of our hurts. Kaya pag may nagawa sila na hawig sa kung paano ka sobrang nasaktan nung bata ka, ganun din yung reaction natin pag may nagagawa sa atin ng mga partners natin. Most of the time, the issue stems from rejection, abandonment, and dismissal of emotion. Kaya pag may konting hindi nasagot yung tawag or may hindi agad nakapunta or may delay, madalas trigger yan sa mga partners dahil meron silang fear of abandonment. That's just an example. Pero what I learned in my own relationship is that it's not fighting each other. It's not about the fight, but it's fighting together to find the core issue. Now, I'm not an expert, but if you want to learn more, follow me for more.